Welcome to my vlog today, guys. Today is spending 24 hours in nature. Now, today was a great day. At the same time, it had a horrible start yesterday. But it didn't carry over.
For the next 24 hours,
much.
I will be out in nature.
Enjoy the vlog.
Also known as
Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.
backyard.
And I'll
Whatever.
see you in the
Same
next one. Love you.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie, kind of terrifying.
I really don't like this. But you know, you gotta face your fears. You know what I'm saying?
I'm gonna stop shutting that voice up. I'm scared. But yeah, gotta face your fears, my G.
You know, you just gotta go for it.
I've slept outside before in a tent, like out here, but like, it's really loud.
Nature's getting for some reason. I don't know why.
It is. Good thing about this is I feel pretty safe out here, so. And if I get scared, I got my anxiety dinosaur. So that's cool. But like, yeah, I'm doing this without any sleeping bag, anything, except my comforter, my flashlight, and me. I'm wearing a nice jacket. It's supposed to be cold tonight. I'm probably not gonna take my shoes off. Just in case I get terrified and run inside, because I feel like I'm probably gonna turn on my speaker. I'm like, it's still recording, right? Okay. Probably gonna turn on my speaker. Okay. My speaker. Turn it on and probably watch some Big Mouth before I go to bed or something. Just try to, you know, set the mood a little bit better. I hate having that light in my face. But I'm like, I didn't know if I would be able to see anything or not. So, it's pretty dark in here. Good thing is it's not that big, so I don't have to worry about space and things being in the spaces. I got water in my headphones in case it gets really loud. I got deodorant body spray if my shoes start stinking up the tent. Okay, that scared me. Stop moving. Anyways, so yeah, this will be my first vlog, or first video of this vlog. I'm going blind, so make sure to stay tuned in case I wake up and start recording. So, yeah, guys. Night night. Sleep tight. And I'll see you in the next clip. Love you. Night. You know, the tent isn't actually that bad. It's actually really nice and warm in here. So it's good. Just wanted to update. I'm going to bed now. I'll talk to y'all later. Good night. My toes are itchy. Good morning. Not gonna lie, I'm kinda cold, but I slept pretty good. Just it's early in the morning because I didn't want to set off my sleeping schedule for school this week, so, but, actually wasn't that bad at all, so, it's a good thing. It's great.
don't know what this looks like. Anyways, guys. 24 hours in nature, baby. I'm so sorry. Please tell me that Mom did not lock that door. Anyways, I'm tired. Still, but I'll be walking around town in a bit, so yeah. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post, because I post every single day at like 10 o'clock at night, because I'm busy all throughout the day. So yeah, make sure to do that, and I'll see y'all in the next video clip. Anyways, later. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm spending 24 hours in nature and the gym. Today is finally going to be the day when I go back to the gym, so I'm going to get cracked out! Jesse James West does that so much better. I got my pre in here, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Gotta get that shit down, because otherwise I can't function. Just kidding. This will actually be the first time I took pre in like 2 months, 2.5 months. Ever since my accident, because my mom was afraid that's what caused me to pass out and wreck my car. Now, I don't know what actually happened there medically, but yeah. So I'm going to the gym today, baby. Let's get crack-a-lackin', you know? Make sure, also, while you're watching this, make sure to subscribe and like the video. Thank you very much. Make sure to comment, and, you know how we do. You know what I'm saying? But, let's get cracked out! What's up, guys? I'm at the gym. I went down like 20 pounds on the bench. We just have some everything else is good. What's up, YouTube? I got a pump. Looking okay. Not bad. Stay back. Not bad. I'm tired. I just did like a little bit of arms, not much though. But it feels good to be back. I love it. See you on the next clip. Peace. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're weighing in at a good 144.6. Maybe. See that very well, but yeah. So, heading home now. What's up, guys? So, I'm about to put down the tent. Probably like a time-lapse video or something. Gotta figure out how to set this shit up, though. I had leg day today, so this is really not helping at all. Okay.
So apparently, what you do is remove these. I guess you should get the back. I'll be right. Let's go in there. And apparently, this thing pops down. Okay. And okay. And this up there. Kinda cool. I guess. How are you actually supposed to? Grab the sticks, push the button, just like that, and you put that up like that. Like this. Yeah, I know what the ropes are for. This one. How do you got it? I don't think this is long. I wonder if I'm gonna have to look this up. Getting my driver's license renewed right now.
That was wonderful.
Finally figured out how to get the freaking tent put up. Redneck way. Fit it in a bag, just a little bit of heft into it. You know what I'm saying? I mean, look at it. It's a little tubby now. It's okay. Nothing's broke or anything, so it should be fine. So, yeah. I was out there for a good 5 minutes trying to figure out how the fuck to put it in there. Yay. But anyways. More stuff coming soon. Maybe like and subscribe right now. It's below. Takes like 2 seconds, you know. Turn on this post notification. Put on this put on the post notification bell. I'll end on that. What's up, guys? I'm ending my vlog today. It's been a long day. I went to the gym. Went and got my license renewed and walked there. It was great. And we ate beans and cornbread, so we're farting a lot now. So, it's always great. Yeah. This was the vlog. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on anything. I don't know what I'm doing at this point. Look, I have a lion's mane. It's great. So, but yeah. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you dudes in the next video. Peace. Love you.